Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at something that quietly makes a huge difference in your home's air quality, the AprilAire 213 replacement filter, designed specifically for AprilAire whole house air purifiers. Now, if you're someone who deals with allergies, dust buildup, or just wants cleaner indoor air for your family, this is one product you'll definitely want to know about. Pause. Camera focuses on the product box being unboxed. First, let's talk specs. This filter has a MERV 13 rating, meaning it traps up to 93% of airborne particles like pollen, mold spores, bacteria, dust, and even pet dander. That's the same filtration quality used in many hospitals and medical-grade environments, perfect for anyone wanting a truly healthy home environment. It's built with electrostatic filter media, so it captures smaller airborne particles without restricting airflow, meaning your vac system doesn't have to work harder, saving you energy in the long run. Pause. Show filter structure and pleats. Another big plus is durability. Each AprilAire 213 filter lasts up to 12 months, depending on usage and air conditions. And since this comes in a pack of 2, you're covered for up to 2 full years. No more frequent replacements or poor air circulation. Installation is super simple. Slide out your old filter, insert the new one, and you're done. No tools, no mess. If you've got an AprilAire air purifier like the models 1210, 2210, 3210, or 4200, this filter fits perfectly. It's factory original, meaning no off-brand fitting issues. Pause. Visuals of family enjoying clean indoor air, vac system running silently. And here's the real benefit. Cleaner air means fewer allergy symptoms, less dust accumulation, and a much fresher smelling home. Whether you have pets, live in a city with pollution, or simply want better indoor air, this filter can genuinely improve your living environment. I've personally reviewed several filters, but the AprilAire 213 stands out for its balance between high filtration and low resistance. It's efficient and long-lasting. So if you're ready to breathe cleaner air and extend the life of your vac system, this is a smart upgrade. Outro, upbeat music. You can find the AprilAire 213 replacement filter, pack of 2, right now, links below. Go check it out, especially during sale season. Clean air never goes out of style.